Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get threads count user ID. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the threads account on your Android device or iOS. So the solution is for both. So when it's open, so you have to go to the profile icon on the right over here. So you have to make sure you will have to open the profile and you will have to just click to the followers on the below your username. You have to click to the followers and there is the top Shojil Khan 57. So this is your username, this arrow is your username. So you will have to copy it, and if you have to share with someone, so this video is for you have to find your username on threads. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.